Hello students, today your art period, so we need resource and tools. Art book, pencil, sharpener, eraser and scale. First we learn about elements of art. The 7 elements of art making and design. First, line. Line terms of art. Line is considered a moving dot or the path of a dot. Take a dot and make a path. Line can be used to define edge. Understand? Second is shape. Shape is considered a close counter or the area defined within a counter line like this. Understand? Third is form. Form refers to three-dimensional object like this. First make a 2D and then 3D. Understand? Fourth is space. Space in terms of art. Space is the area around, above and within a object. We can say it can also refer to the artist's use of the area within the picture like this. This for example this. Fifth here, color. Color reflect light. Theory can be broken down into three main components. The color wheel, color value and color schemes. Like for example primary color, secondary color and tertiary color. Understand? 6 is value. Now we make a small definition. It is the darkness or lightness of a color and can be measured through the use of a value scale. Understand? For example हमने ग्रीन कलर लिया है, डार्क ग्रीन लिया है, वही उसी की वैल्यू जो है यहाँ पे शेड एंड टेन, यानी कि वही कलर डार्क होता हुआ लाइट हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? Seventh is texture. Texture refers to the way on an object feels to the touch or look as it may feel it to where touched. Texture created in a drawing or paintings can be simulated. Here give the underline. Simulated or invented. The illusion due to line. Illusion of the texture is the heavily depend to on the use of value. We see here meaning of simulated means here simulated it should have texture but is actually flat with no texture. And illusion means here something that your eyes tell you is there or is true but is fact is not. It means here हमारी eyes देख रही हैं, दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन वो उस लाइन में या उस शेप में नहीं है. एज इट इज सेम सिमुलेटेड ऑल्सो हेयर टेक्सचर है, हम उसको फील कर रहे हैं, टच कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो फील नहीं हो रहा है और हमें दिखाई दे रहा है. अंडरस्टैंड ऑल? नाउ वी डू एक्टिविटी 1, पेज नंबर 6. रीड द पैसेज First title, a curve illusion. Illusion means already I given the definition, and now repeat again, something that your eyes that tell your is there or is true, but is fact is not. See here, like a curve line. It is not curve line. It is join the dot to dot. But your eyes tell you is there is true, but is fact is not. It means यहाँ पे आपकी हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि ये कर्व लगाया हुआ है, लेकिन ये कर्व नहीं है. फैक्ट क्या है? ये पॉइंट्स को मिलाया हुआ है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ऑब्जर्व द इमेज केयरफुली. इस इमेज को ध्यान से देखना है. आफ्टर देन ज्वाइन द पॉइंट्स. नाउ पेज नंबर 7. दिस एक्टिविटी do complete it. First give the points. This one is square. Give the point a line and b line, and give the numbers also. This one 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After then take a one point, 1 to 1. Take a scale, and after then 1 point to 1 point, like this. After then 2.2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 6, 7 to 7. Understand, students? And after then remove the points. According to this method, do complete a design and illusion. Understand? Thank you.